started playing Valheim with the Izanuks as well. Biggest Namus, thank you very much for the tier 1, brother. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a new whanau member that has just joined us. Can you please drop some Broxh love in the chat, or just a Twitch love, either way. Let's make them feel welcome, eh?
What happened, Drifter?
Yo, imagine. Yo, thanks for the 11 months, brother. Oh, we got another all legs 11 in the chat now. Yo, thank you for the 11 months, brother. Work the night and heading to bed. Have a good stream. Sure, brother. Have a good sleep, my bro. Straight up. And also, one node. Thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Welcome. I see you're someone new as well, brother. Welcome to the channel, brother. And Big Greg, thank you very much for the bits too, brother. Valheim is very addicting, bro. It took me ages to build my little house. It's nothing too fantastic. Yo, Cameron, thank you for gifting a sub to Platform 6. Okay. So we'll do a bit of Odin today. And then we'll jump on. Maybe our other one later, depending on the time. Reva, thank you very much for the bits too, my brother. And also, Lil Chapel. Okay, let's get these beard lines going, eh? It felt like carving some more of his beard again, because it was pretty cool how it turned out. Carving today too, brother. Yeah, I was gonna go live yesterday night, but no, last night I should say. I was too tired, too tired. Does the humidity or the rain affect the carving? Sometimes. The humidity more than the rain. We welcome the rain, eh? Doesn't really do much to the timber, other than making it wet. I love New Zealand, would you please take me? What do you mean? Like, what are you making? So we're carving Odin from Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Been on it for a while. Mainly because I hardly ever carve outside of my culture. Like, I do traditional Māori wood carving. It's been taking me a while, but it's all good. Rather be done nicely than rushed. Been months now, I follow you since the first core compression. Just coming to check you out and still you. Thanks for entertaining all of you. Yo, thank Marcus. Hey Marcus, cool gear. Just want to say thank you for dropping into Brox's stream. He's kind of like the Doug around here. So for him it's another day, another Doug. Extra funner, thank you very much for the 7 months, brother. Cheers, man. Hope you're doing well. Odin is looking good these days. Thank you, brother. Chur, brother Snuff. Chur, my bro. How are you? So we took a little section out of Thor Ragnarok, and how he said he didn't print enough pamphlets, and here's our little reference here. It's holding a pamphlet. Yo, VizClouds, thank you very much for the tier 1, brother. Someone else new that has joined us today, whanau, please put some love through on the chat, some Broxh love or some Twitch love. Either way, please show some love to our new whanau member. Let's go. Do you only carve during the live stream? Nah, I do other projects off stream too, but those are the ones I can't show. Mainly because they're like 21st keys, or something. Obviously they're going to have a name on it. Because I asked the whanau, just know that sometimes I stream. They go, oh, can you not show the key, please? And it's mainly just in case the person that's receiving the key is watching the stream, and they might go, oh look, I'm getting a 21st key for my birthday. Whee! Or like carving stuff that the whanau or the family that are receiving it don't want others to see. Yo, brother Crazy. Thank you for all the legs 11, my bro. The 11 months, brother. Thank you, brother. And also Marcus, thank you very much for gifting 2 subs to Charlton Man and Reese MCC. Chur, brother Crazy. Hope the snow's not too hardcore around your ways, my brother. When shall we go watch Mugen train, bro? Wednesday. 2 feet today. Oh, that's not too bad, eh? Brother Maiken, thank you very much for subbing, brother. Welcome to the channel. Yes, let's go Wednesday. Hey, brother Mahalo. Hey, my bro. How you been, brother? I know you be a busy man too. Hey, Ninjabinda. Hey, morning. Their beard detail. Thanks, brother. Yeah, it kind of looks like, you know, those, what is it? Those cans you get with whipped cream and you go That's the effect I was going for. Yeah, I think you may want to drink something. Yeah, I forgot my drink bottle inside. I'm going to get it soon. All good here, bro. You can't look at me. Thank you, my brother. Yeah, I've been good, bro. I just started playing Valheim with the bros. Very addictive game. And also played a bit of classic last night, but I was pretty tired. And did my Dark Shaman run to try and get the armor. Didn't get it again. Okay, let's go get my water. Okay, got our water. Yeah, bro, Valheim's really cool, eh? I just never had any time to give it a go. And I tried it last night and yeah, the Islamics let me jam with them. And yeah, it's a pretty fun game. My hut's not really that good. It's a pretty shit house, but yeah, it's all good. Hold up, just because it's got green tea in it. I think I'm gonna cut my beard off today. What time is it there, sir? It's 11:15, brother. Hey, party pirate. Yeah, go for it, brother. Go for it. Wait, are our categories done? Am I in makers and crafts? The source of your power. Surely I'm in makers and crafts. The source of all your power. Yeah, you are. Okay, cool. The only reason why I say that is because I'm training again, and bro, all the amount of sweat that gets caught in it, eh? Frah. That's yummy. The source of all your power. Pretty sure that goes against terrorists. I had some wood around and tank and split. I'm thinking resin after staining. Any suggestions? When it comes to staining, it is personal preference. Oh, tank and split. Yeah, resin is good for like splits, if that's what you're meaning. Or fiberglass is another one. But yeah, it should be all good. All good, pirate. I'll go and check it out after the stream today. How'd you get into wood carving? So this is the first time I've done any wood carving outside of what I normally do. And I started carving when I was 12 years old. But I did, well, I do, not did, traditional Māori wood carving, which is what we call whakairo in our language. And yeah, just doing this to give it a go. It's bloody hard. I'm not gonna lie, there were moments where I got stuck, like I didn't know what to do. Because pretty much of what I do, I know every single damn process that I need to. But we got there in the end. Yo, thank you Unkind Souls for the bits, brother. Speaking of, I'm gonna go for the evening run, so I'll be back in 20... Oh good bro, take your time. Can we buy something you make? So usually I'm doing commission pieces throughout the streams, but there's always going to be that one piece that I'm going to auction off, because auctioning things off is another aspect I want to bring to it, just so I can try and talk fast like those dudes. Slurp, Soul Drop, thank you very much for the tier 1, brother. Another new whanau member, ladies and gentlemen. Let's make them feel welcome, man. Chilled French, thank you very much for the 9 months, brother. Goddamn, we got a sub, baby. Woo. Congratulations on your sub, baby, brother. Treat it well, name it well, and just most of all, stay inside and wear a mask. Congratulations on the child. all good, Luca. I'm just a normal person, brother. I'm no uptight dude that's gonna be that guy. I mean, I eat, sleep and shit just like anyone else. That's how I usually put it. I may tend to watch too much TikTok while doing it, but hey, helps the time go by. Reap86, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Oh, good Luca, much love, my brother. Hey, cheesecake. Thank you for the 6 months, cheesecake. Chur the bro. Hey, and Chur to little cheesecake as well. Hope he's had a good weekend. Having a good weekend, even. Okay, guys, who watched the Pokemon stuff over the weekend? I thought it was pretty cool, eh? How do I donate? Oh, I don't know. Ewokkie, thank you very much for the tier 1. Much appreciated, Ewokkie. Another tier 1 whanau, please make them feel welcome. Have you ever tried Guild Wars 2? Nah, brother, I never tried it. What do you think of the new Valheim cinematic? Yeah, it's good, brother. Bro, I enjoyed all the Pokemon reveals, eh? Obviously, my favourite part was their Venusaur. Looking forward to playing one of my favourite gens again. Most of all, that Arceus one, eh? How they had different starters. No, I'm not gonna lie, I never played Oshawott gen. Didn't pick the Owl, and did not pick Cyndaquil either. So I'm guessing those are the options we have for that game. I'll probably go with the Owl, mainly because we're carving a Ruru, an owl as well. Timonga, thank you very much for the sub as well, my bro. Not vibing on the remakes though, fair enough. Yeah, that Arceus one looked cool, and Pokemon Snap, you can't go past that. Yeah, I like Squirtle, but I mean, who doesn't like a Venusaur that body slams into the water? I'm going to choose Oshawott for the Arceus game. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I never really chose any of them. Or played the gen with Oshawott. What was this? Gen 5, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. Or were they... Yeah, I don't even know. Thank you, the AG Master. And then the Post Malone concert, that was pretty cool as well. I enjoyed that. Singing along to most of his songs. Yeah, Gen 5, black and white, okay. Yeah, I never played that one, that generation. Wood 24, thank you very much for the sub, brother. So the timber's a bit wet from the rain, so it's kind of hard for the pencil to stick. How long have you been working on this piece for? Oh jeez, for a while, bro. I wish I could do stuff like this. I mean, you could start now. There's nothing stopping you. Red Mamba, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. And Cereal Bites, my name's Korg, 5 months Pog. Thank you very much for the 5 months cereal. And so Salted, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. God damn, everyone's subbing today. But hey, that's Isn't that a Max emote there? You're still the most awesome person on the site, man. But hope you're doing well. Thank you, Mr. Cookie. Yeah, I'm doing good, brother. I tried pedal boarding on the weekend and did the biggest bail of my life. Bro, it's hard to stand up on those, eh? My brother-in-law bought his inflatable pedal, stand-up pedalboard things. Man, they're hard. I'm still trying to master it, Edgy Master. Secretly a little Canadian with how nice you are. Oh no, I'm Maori, brother. And something else. GC, how's your Viking mate? Oh, he's good, he's right here. I was raised by my mother, eh? So single parent. My father didn't stick around much. So yeah, I don't talk to him much. Well, he's in jail as well, but that's his own damn problem. Let's just say I'm not his biggest fan either. But would you love to hear one of the legends from because related to the carvings? I probably won't say while I'm doing this one, brother. Yeah. I tried pedalboarding, I barely flopped into the water. Bro, it's hard, bro. Oh, no need to be sorry. I've accepted it. Eh? He has 12 sons, all my stepbrothers, who I still talk to. Yeah, no need to be sorry, I'm all good. He just taught me what kind of father not to be. A teeth can't like him. No. Well, you appear to have turned out fine without respect to your mum. Thanks, pal. My dad is the same. Taught me the respect is never given. Yeah, he doesn't even. Yeah, that's true. Like, my dad doesn't have my respect. That's why I never want him to meet my kids. Because he wasn't there for me. Whoa. Yeah, so I was raised by my mother and my grandparents. When my mother had to go away and study, my grandparents looked after me. Boy, did I watch a lot of Zoids with them. Just add water. Thank you very much for the 9 months. Congratulations. You are now a sub daddy. Congratulations on your sub, baby brother. And treat it well, name it well, and thank you very much for the 9 months as well, brother. Like a Zero was dope. Yeah, bro. I know there's like a different one on Netflix, but I don't know if I want to watch it. It doesn't look that good. Been rewatching Demon Slayer before we go watch Mugen Train. Nice, Mr. Cookie. Any chance you know how those places are doing? I'm not really sure, brother. Like, everything's up in the air, obviously, with Rona. And, haven't heard anything bad coming out of it, so, I mean, no news is good news, eh? I think everyone would be good. No, I still haven't watched Jujutsu yet. The dude with the blindfold seems OP. Or he's like the reverse of Kakashi, over the eyes instead of the mouth. That guy. Thank you, Raina Jaffer, for the sub, brother. Thank you, my bro. Jiu-Jitsu is top tier. I hear a lot of people saying that, brother, that it's top tier. I really need to get into watching it. I'd say Jujutsu Kaisen is better than My Hero. Oh yeah, I haven't watched it enough to say. But I laughed at that one fight I watched. It's the panda, and he punches up that wood guy. I was like, what the hell's going on here? Oh, it's touchpad. Hey, brother. Hey, touchpad. Can we get a shout out for touchpad, please, bro, Alex? Sorry, man, I just seen it. Thank you, Porg, for the 3 months as well. Much appreciated, my brother. Have you seen Afro Samurai? Yeah, man, I watched it a long time ago. How you doing? Good, brother. I'm doing very good today. Bit on the tired side, but yeah, it's all good. Played too much Valheim last night. And doing my weekly Dark Shaman runs. No set yet. Haven't had any luck getting the set yet. Hey, I like that, Liara. There's a sequel to Afro Samurai. Is that the episodes? Yeah, so I like, when it comes to One Piece, I think I like the old era more. Or the old school pirates. Especially Gold Roger, eh? Ah, he was dope. Hello, Anime Fix. Ah, it's exclamation mark. What is it? SO, I think? Hey, Chur, brother. What time did you get off last night? Probably a few minutes after use. There we go. So please go through and follow the brother Touchpad Warrior. Now I'm going to say this and you can at me as well. Here's the best warrior that plays on a touchpad mouse. At me. I am Chodheim. Okay. Nothing but love and respect be you and the family are well. Thank you, brother Chodheim. God damn, this sounds like a realm in Valheim. Thank you, brother Chod.
Gee, what about the song? With the dogs park their cars.
No, all good, bro. All good.
The barking looks.
Fuck yes, Bill. Yeah, no, I didn't stay on too long, my bro. Like a few minutes after use. I was trying to finish my roof for my teacher's house. You can go and check it out if you want. Hey, Kiwi Killer. Cheer, my bro. All good, Touchpad. Yeah, go through and give Touchpad Warrior a follow, please, whanau. One of the many streamers I know that deserves partner, that's for sure. Did you get it finished? Nah, still working on it, my bro. When it's finished, you can put the Wi-Fi in. I've just been cutting down heaps of trees to make a good view for the house. But far, your fella's house is on Valheim, Hundi. Like they mean is, hey Paleo. Haven't you got uni today? Why are you on Twitch? Why are you wagging? Kia ora, the Eric. Thank you, Kiwi. Yeah, we just doing up the last parts of his beard, bro, pretty much. Just trying to get good, so when we start building castles, there'll be ease. Oh, yeah. Sloop dude. Hey, good night, brother. Thank you very much for the bits too, my bro. And Destin as well with the bits. And Chur, brother Black Bear. Yeah, I've just been trying to collect materials, eh? Can't wait to go back to NZ when COVID allows it. Yeah, bro, I think it's gonna be a while, eh? But see how this vaccine goes. I probably won't take it because I can just stay home easy. Any online brother who was talking to me? Oh, yeah, it was you to you, brother. Nathan, oh, another 9-monther. God damn, so many sub babies. Congratulations on the 9 months, brother. You are now what we call a sub dad with your sub baby. Congratulations on the 9 months, brother. Now be sure to stock up on nappies and obviously formula milk, and you should be good. But thank you very much, brother. Oh, it's not Aucklanders' fault, eh? It's not like people get corona on purpose. It's just unfortunate that it's happened there again. Very unfortunate, because bro, just like last time, their family that got it, they got so much unnecessary hate just for getting the outbreak a while ago, and the out of it thing was it was from frozen goods, eh? They were imported. Hey, Big Rummy. So yeah, what's 7 days, eh? 7-day lockdown. Seven days. I'm sure everyone here knows what you're carving. What am I talking about? Chur one node. It's fuck you, Odin. It's Odin from Assassin's Creed. It's Argentina. Oh, true. So you will have online classes for the next week, eh, brother? Oh, that must be hard, eh, if you're sitting on your computer and you want to play Valheim. Okay, beard's almost done.
So y'all like being called bitches over here. Okay.
Pretty buzzy looking beard. You should join FaZe. I don't know. I don't think I'm on their radar. Not trying to be on their radar either. I think I'm the complete opposite to how FaZe is. I mean, shout out to the brother Sway. He's one of my favourites. FaZe members. The only thing I like flexing is muscles when I get them. Nothing else. Muscles. Flex the muscle. Wait, does he game 2? Yeah, bro. Yeah. I opened Valheim twice during first class, but didn't want to get distracted. Yeah, I seen you on. Because I jumped on for a little bit to see if my house got smashed from some trolls. I think I got Fanta's troll problem now. But a lot of pigs and deer around the house that I built too. Distant, I play Assassin's Creed, World of Warcraft. What else? Hearthstone. Started playing that, and Overwatch as well. I'm contemplating COD because it seems like fun. And what else do I play? Been playing Ori off stream. Need to start the second one soon. And tried Valorant. Whew, that's too hard. Hey, Harvey! Can you vortex? Oh, bro, vortexing is overrated now. Chur, Harvey. Yo, we got a young Khan emote too. Just dig a moat. Yeah, I'll give it a go. Because my little hunting shack is on a bank. How are you doing, Broxh? Hey, Harvey, yeah, I'm doing good, brother. Just had a weekend with family. And time to focus on the work like we do during the week. Yeah, because I built my shack. It's on the hill, but it's got like levels to it. Don't want to go too handy in my whare nui roof. It's just called the whare, that's all I called it. Just so he's known, hey, whose is this random house? And I remembered have a gap in the roof, so you don't get smoked out from the fire. I did that, and yeah, that's all I pretty much done, bro. I cut so much wood, heaps. I need to start making more chests for my timber. But yeah, it's pretty good so far, bro. It's a mean game. I didn't think I'd have this much fun with Valheim, because I was a bit iffy about it. But yeah, I'll screenshot what my batch looks like for everyone that's in the Discord. It's nothing too amazing, like Edus and them. Well, you did say you wanted to be a lumberjack. Yeah, fella. I don't know, maybe if we have a sneaky late night stream, we might stream Valheim instead of Classic. If you guys want. Either way, I don't mind. Classic, whatever. We must prep for BC. Is Khan on today, Harvey? Why not weekly? Hey, Broxh, hope you're having a good day. I am having a good day, man. Thank you very much. Hey, that's right about the camera. There was a smudge spot on it, eh? Is it gone? Or was it over here? I've heard a lot about Valheim. Yeah, it's actually a good game. Tango Pet, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. The whole leveling stuff and gathering is so addictive. Yeah, bro. Oh, sweet. Chill, bro. While I still can. Oh, nice. Oh, you've been busy too, brother. I'm still yet to win Young Khan Free Mode Friday. I will keep trying. I wouldn't mind getting some commission motes off him just because it's Young Khan, eh? Because I remember him saying people are getting more like logos and labels now. I just need to know what his pricing is. Maybe? Yeah. Oh, he's sending the uke, brother. Jay, how's that going, brother? How many grits are you going through, brother? From him in months, he's on solid 5 months wait right now. Oh, okay, sweet days. I can wait. Moved to England, can't wait to come back soon, bro. Yo, Theo mode, bro. Once everything's gone, brother, we're back to normal. Be good to meet everyone. Thought Mrs. Broxh was going to town. Osvaldo to go. Thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Sure, KJ. Hey, morning, brother Ziggy. How are you, my bro? Did you get to stay home this time, or are you at Mahi? Oh, that's pretty buzzy touchpad, Jockton. There were these guinea pigs at the market on the weekend, and I wanted one so bad, eh? Because they were free. Because this farmer was just giving them away, and a rabbit as well. I was like, I finally had my own paddock, or place to have my own pets. No, I'm at home again, bro. Stay safe. Nice, brother. Nice. Sultan. Yeah, because I asked, are you actually selling these? He's like, oh, I have a lot of guinea pigs at home. I was like, damn, this guy must love guinea pigs. Because I wanted to get it for my daughter, but more for me, because they look cute. He goes, do you want it? So, I can't, my landlord doesn't allow animals. And he goes, well, your landlord's pretty boring. I mean, yes, he is. Hey, Tommy. Wrench. Hey, brother. Hope you have a good day too, my brother. Enjoy the level 2 freedom egg. Too, my bro. Bro, I wish we were going up, eh? Just because my daughter's grandparents go, if you go up in levels, we'll have the kids. To me, yes. But I doubt we'll go up. I live on level 3. Yeah, bro. Wow, I wish our landlord would just let us have animals, eh? Oh my god! Don't be wishing no level 4 on me now, bro. Holy damn, intruder! Shit, you alright, brother? Yo, thank you for the 10 gifted subs, my bro. Those went to Ralph Online, Native, Toka, okay, Reski, Wonder Senna, Voicey, Madeline, Ashlo NZ, Graz33, Diluted One, and Razor. Yo, intruder. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to, my bro. Oh. Sorry, Nan. Thank you, brother. I really appreciate it. Just remember, bro, we had, you can't just watch for free. It's all good. But thank you, brother. It's a super skinny pig.
It's a rolling, not a stop.
And Chur lives up to their name. Nah, my daughter's not lucky. I am. I'm the lucky one. Because I got her, my little high mountain, and Mrs. Broxh. So I have 2 kids. Yeah, I named my daughter after. It's not her middle. It's more of her middle name, but we called her after Mela High Mountain. It just stuck with Mrs. Broxh. I just said it as a joke, and she goes, "Hey, it's actually grown on me." Oh, Chur General. Thanks, brother. Yeah, Harvey. Man, these are the latest ones. Oh, where are they? Yeah, man, he's the man, Thunder Punch. I was gonna ask him if he could do a Venusaur jumping into the water just because of Pokemon Day, but I thought, nah, never mind. I even tried to do an emote myself as well. Oh yes, like that was the other one. Sorry, Sir Foggy. I knew there was another one. The new 3 pieces is very nice. Yeah, thank you, brother. These are all of Sturdy Butters ones. They're the tier 3s. Don Mateo, thank you very much for the sub, brother. There's the means. Yeah, so Gold Roger is our smile emote, because he's smiling all the time, just like All Might. And then we have Korg with his pamphlets to try to start a revolution. Oh jeez, better skip this. So if you all remember, didn't print enough pamphlets. I tried to start a revolution, but nobody turned up because I didn't print enough pamphlets. Other than my father-in-law, who I hate. I think that's how it goes. The Korg is brilliant. Yeah. And then I wanted a Zappy Boy emote. So he's a character in WoW that became quite big in the last expansion. He was a meme. Sadly, it didn't print enough. God, I love that scene. Yeah, I asked everyone last week, and I just thought, oh, you can chuck it in. Get a Gumboot emote. That was the other one. Chur Theo Moon. Okay, I think I've done most of this. Not Uncle Pete? Yeah, brother, it's Odin from Assassin's Creed, brother. I've been doing it here and there when I can. It's not normally what I do. Okay, I need to put my jacket back on. Whew. All good, Destin. You have a good one, brother. Hope you get them done fast too. And well. How's the weather over there? Quite crap. You play a lot of Orlog. I have no idea what that is. Easy Tiger. Hey, you want to see my sword too, brother? I've never played Assassin's Creed Valhalla. I'm playing Valheim though, if that counts. Donald from King BMP. God damn, someone found it. Yo, King, thank you for the $5, brother. You thinking of getting a PS or Xbox as well? I've got a PlayStation 4. Thank you for the $5, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. Omnic, thank you very much for the biddies, brother. Okay, I think we've cut majority of the beard, which is good. Beard cutter. Well, that's uni done for the day. Time to put my shit to Valheim now. Here you go, check out my house if you want, bro. Tell me what I need to improve on. Where are you filming this? Outside. Let me just cut a few more beard lines. The beard is looking nice. Yeah, it reminds me of the cream and the candy. Oh, I should change this. Sorry, Spell.
One in the hand, one in the bag, bubbling.
Thank you, Matey Crazy Lover.
Look at the cash, rubber.
Man, I wish I could play some old school Pokemon music, but Nintendo's a big thing. What was I gonna play? Oh, I was about to play Lissy there. We're making it Dosh. Jacko with no days off. Oh, this guy.
With Audible, you can listen.
Oh, sturdy leather. Gifted 10 subs. Come on, my bro. There could have been more leather. Yo, Sturdy, thank you for the... You're bloody tier 3, eh? You know he is. Yo, thank you, Sturdy Butter, for the 10 gifted subs, my bro. They went to Hamlet, Omelette. Oh, Omelette sounds good. Nico Bellic, Roots XO, was Psycho, Made You Mad Much, Juan Pablosoto, and Stocky, The Power of Brent, Most Death Rocker, and The Martian, 1997. Very specific there, my man. Thank you, brother Sturdy. Jeez, you could have spent that on leather. Thank you, my bro. I appreciate it, my brother. And also, oh, look who's back. I was stroking me cork. Oh, that name. Thank you, man. I am budgeting, but still factoring in Broxh. Oh, you take me out of your budget now. Stroking me cock. Sorry, Whanau, it gets me every time. Yeah, but you could have had a much huger shipment. You know he is. Yep. Gotta do your taiaha now. Oh, stroking me cook. How are you, brother? Stroking me cook. Ah, yeah, Ronan Kenobi, it is, brother. Hello to Argus and Laws Harvey. Oh, Jarvie? Hope the whanau as well. They're good, my brother, they're good. Baby's talking now. My big girl really loves Pokemon, which is good. Because I'm sick of bloody watching the Wiggles. Hoping to get a mortgage next year, wish me luck. Okay, you definitely have to stop your sub now. Okay, I can't get over this name. It's choking me cork. I tend to laugh at things way too longer than I should, Whanau, but that's just me. Hey, morning, Fanta. That's right, you're on your day off. It's amazing to see a squared log turn into this something that's beautiful. Yo, thanks, brother. Okay, let's not dilly-dally around, eh? What did you guys think of the Yuffie reveal? I had no idea about it, eh? Yeah, hard cheesecake. Hey, bud, about go to work. Had a crap night last night. Yo, Randy Creamer, just make sure you come back next time, eh? We're here for you, brother. Always. And I'm sorry if you are a sister. I do not know. Just tell me. Yeah, that's a bit of dirt on it. Blaze Fort, thank you very much for the 2 months, brother. I appreciate it, my brother. I did a little bit of work on my little batch this morning too, Fanta. I think he's seen me just drop in. I had to come use your bench to fix my hammer. Hammer? You're at a hammer. The hammer rode you on the back. Downside to new phones, forget password. I remember when my password for my old phone back in school was X-Men. I was that guy, man. I needed an easy password, eh? Like even my voicemail, I've never changed my voicemail. It's still the same one I've had since I was 13. It's can't talk eating. That's been it the whole time. Like I remember when I was doing a piece for some. Oh come on! Bloody hell! Reaver, thank you for gifting 10 gifted subs as well, brother. Holy shit! Oh, sorry, I wasn't supposed to say that. They went to Mr. Lopez, Shulk Bar, Fixed It, TTV Snaps, the Zion Express, Bloated Dudes, Sus Juice, Mars, Prince Bigger, and Zelly. Yo, thank you, Reaver. Bro, you didn't have to do that, my man. In my defense, no new games coming out I want this month. Ah, get Valheim. Go and cut down trees. That's why I play it. Yo, thank you, brother. Jeez, what other games coming out this? Yeah, that makes perfect sense. That there are no good games coming out. Now that I think about it. You're good, Broxh. I was raided by 2 trolls this morning. Ripped the front of my house off. Ah, damn. I think I got your grinder trolls as well. Broxh plays the game to do what he normally does anyway. But as soon as I could see like you could cut trees down, I was like, I need to do that. Like when I finished building my little batch and I cut down a lot of trees, I was like, look what I have created! Standing out on the veranda just looking at the whole forest that I cut down. I was that guy. I would never do it in real life though, just to let you know. Never. Played Far Cry 5 to fish and hunt. Bro, I did a lot of that too, brother. It's like when I used to watch Fanta, he used to play this game called Reign of Kings. I used to like watching him cut down trees. And then when I found out you could do that in Valheim, I was like, I need to play. I must cut these trees. How many hours? Oh, not even heaps, brother. I just started playing last night, like 3.5 hours. Baby hours compared to most. Bro, Young Khan's Pokemon emotes are cool too. I was like, where do I go? I want to go to the mountains to build my batch. And then the bros are saying, oh, you're not ready for the mountains yet, bro. It was cool though. It's turned into building games. Put nails on your fists with honey or sticky stuff. Bro, the first thing I did when I logged into Valheim, I tried to have a fist fight with a ball. Bro, I got killed. Then I went back to fist fight him again and then I won. So I'm just out here trying to punch some pigs. Get me that sweet pelt. Thank you, Fanta. Baboon Warfare, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Oh, true, my bro. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it, brother. Yeah, I made me some leather last night. Detox, thank you for the 3 months, my bro. Thank you, brother. Ewoki, I just started playing with the bros in the chat, like Fanta and Edu. I haven't tried it solo yet. Oh, I've been building a house by myself, if that counts. Going and punching balls. How do you avoid splinters? Get crocodile skin on your hands. Rip Gamon, yeah. One of my favourite torrents. Ken, Bane, Gamon, and Disco. Oh, and Holm's another one, Holm High Mountain. Did you know there's a Korg High Mountain as well? Yeah, I've just got hard skin and getting calluses again since, yeah. Hey, Siege. For High Mountain. There he is, touchpad. Cheers, brother. I need to make a high mountain to get the heritage armor, eh? just hard playing Horde and OCE. Really hard. I'm contemplating like the full jump over to Illidan. I haven't even got the Heritage Armor for Tauren yet. Yeah, touchpad. So these and the Taurens are probably two of my favourite ones. Oh, but man, I just want to use their totem just to whack people, eh? Have you considered doing other carvings such as logos or animals or such? Not really, Zeka. Yeah. I mainly joined just to show traditional Māori woodcarving, but I don't know, maybe something for the future. I got pretty inspired this year's BlizzCon by the pieces that people submitted. I was like, I think I want to carve something for the next one. There's only a limited amount of things that I can carve from the game. From the totems to Zappy Boy and Vol'jin's mast. It's hard to model that on mobile. What's this for, brother? Thanks, Slushy. You should stream games like League. Yeah, nah. I used to play League, I know. I started playing Teamfight Tactics. Still don't know what the hell I'm doing. Do you keep these carvings, by the way, every time? Adrian? No, I don't keep any of them, brother. Yeah, me too, Amiru. Bro, I just guess. I don't even know what's good, what's not. Haven't even won a game yet. I was playing it over the weekend. On the iPad when I wasn't drawing. Hey Maya, all the legs 11. Bloody hell, what's that comment? Chur Maya for the 11 months. I didn't even have to do that, eh? And surfing spawn with the 11 months as well. Holy cow! All the 11Zs. Thank you very much, whanau. You don't have to. Oh, sorry, Nan. Man. Here we go. Have you ever played Warhammer? Nah, brother. Yeah, Siege, I've only just started getting back into Overwatch, but I think it's going to be overshadowed by Valheim soon. Park J, thank you very much for the tier 1, brother. Welcome, my bro. Can we get some Broxh love in the chat or some Twitch love, please, for our new whanau member? He was up late last night, eh, old Chin Chin? I can't even concentrate at painting at that time, let alone carve. I remember had a mission, like luckily we had a workshop to carve in during the night instead of being outside. So I got asked to do a 21st key last minute for the next day. and I had to do it all nighter. I have never been so mind fucked in my life, eh? Okay, let's get these done. Okay, I'll just do these and then I'll be back with you. Just butting off a few ends. There we go. Okay. Bam, 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 bam. I failed wood shop 3 separate times. Keep trying, brother. You keep going. That's all you have to do. Keep going. Did Cartman and all his mates give up while they were slaying boars for 1 XP so they could take on the guy that was hacking World of Warcraft in the episode? They carried on, brother. So you should do the same. Carry on, brother, you will get it. And then you can say ease. Make love, no World of Warcraft. First night I had a Valheim, stayed up till 3 AM. I haven't done that since Minecraft first came out. I was tempted to, but I know you've got kids and all that, so I'd rather not. I don't know, maybe if they're away for the weekend, cut down trees till the morning. Live to win. Yeah, I think I enjoy cutting down trees more than most on Valheim. And I'm starting to discover there are trees that take a bit longer to cut down. It's like, oh, must be a hardwood. Oh, good, no jars. Okay, let me just butt these. I don't know, JT. Shouldn't be. Like, it's a pretty, like, the graphics are pretty chill, I would say. Maybe try, can I run it? I think that's what Eddie told me to try when I was trying another game. Yeah, Fanta. Like, even when it gets wet, I was like, oh. Finally made a chest. I was like, fine, because I was just dumping all my crap on the veranda that I got. And I want to hang up all these pig heads and deer heads I got, but I don't know how to. Do you need a specific mount for them? Wall mount? Sure, call me Spree. All good, brother. Kia ora, Bell. There was Bob last night. I should have asked him, bro, you want some mahi? But I fully forgot about it. He just had a mind blink. that's not good. Which way are you going? Just have a CPU with 4 cores. Oh, computer words. I was gonna remind you, but thought you might have sorted it. No, nah, brother. I haven't. I still don't even know how I'd like to do it. Eh? I'll see if I can run it on my computer and I'll see if I can hop in with the various. Yeah, hard. I'll give you heaps of timber. So just clean up the shoulder and then it's all good. Good to go. These are making me want to jump on Valheim now. What the stop carving and go play. What's your specs? Yep, that's computer talk. I'm staying out of it. I don't know that language. I'll just go computer words. Punching balls. Does all the group have to be on at once? Oh, I think everyone goes on at different times, I believe, when they can. Keep this low. Can you freehand the dovetail joint? Jeez, I have no idea what that is, brother. Is that a joiner? Gotta keep the rough look, as just remembered. Can't make it too clean, so because we're trying to make it like it was in the old days. Hey again, Chip. What am I carving? Odin from Assassin's Creed, brother. Okay, let me just do this. I got the Lost Vikings too. game, sorry. Yeah. Mainly because I got the the anniversary pack from Blizzard. I get the game as well. Wonder when my Reinhardt jersey is gonna show up. What the fuck? Hold up. Barbed wire ass hair. Oh, fucking hell. Okay. What's the thought process for your fellas' names? I'm a Reinhardt main, brother. Barbed wire ass hair. Shit, man. It can't be a real name. Yeah, it's right above you. How did you guys come up with your names, man? God damn. Oh my is right. Gen Z privilege. It does not sound like a good time, even for the person that grows it. Yeah, it's on Steam, brother. Oh, Cheeky Fox, giving it a go is the best thing you can do. Accidentally being a fancy edgelord. I like it. Anyone know when their Demon Slayer game comes out, even though it looks like Naruto? Mankirk's wife though, yeah, she's pretty badass in Maldrexus, eh? Poor Mankirk, still alive, became a Hearthstone card. Other than Dave Greco's cards, which are my favourite in the new Hearthstone expansion, I would say that Druid of the Plains card is really cool too, like the art for it. And it turns into a Kodo. I really want to get Brutefest Kodo for some reason. Been in a Kodo mood for the last few days. Looks pretty cool. Original Baron's chat was wild as fuck. Yeah. I didn't get to witness it, but seeing what I saw in Classic, yeah, I doubt it's as bad as that. Demon Slayer, all I saw was 21, not given a date yet. Oh, okay. Oh, good. Even though it's like Naruto, I think still would be cool to play a Demon Slayer game. Did I tell you guys Mrs. Broxh is getting into it? Dude Tron, yeah brother, last night. Cool game. A lot of trees were cut down in the process of the gaming. From cutting the tree down to removing the stump, that was me. That guy. Oh, so like she's not really big on anime, and I was watching Demon Slayer on Netflix, and pretty much knew she was starting to like it after she asked, "What happens to Nezuko?" She started asking all these questions. I was like, I got her. She's into it. Yeah, she likes she's liking it so far. She can't stand Zenitsu when he's awake. It's like, oh, he's annoying. Dude Tron, thank you very much for the sub, brother. No, I haven't seen Mugen Train yet, bro. Probably go on Wednesday with the brother that's in the chat. Yeah, he's beast when he goes into a sleep mode, eh? Because I had to tell her about the different styles that they have, like the breathing styles. And yeah, she's getting into it. We just passed the episode where his first mission, when he has to kill those demons that are taking people, like the girls. You wake up today? Not yet. Not yet. Probably go later. Now I'm gonna play Valheim. I actually started watching Demon Slayer again the other day. Yeah, me too, Harvey. I need to. I just want to re-watch it again, just before I watch Mugen Train. With Mad Jiggy and Unga, and it was pretty on. Yeah, everyone's been saying it's mean, eh? I mean, I read the manga, so I know it happens, but at the same time, just can't wait to see all the animations, eh? Like Rengoku, he's a mean character, but Gyome's my favorite pillar. I watch sub first, and then dub later. Do you watch One Piece? Yeah, brother. Yeah, I'd rather watch sub first. And if I want to re-watch it, then I'll watch it in dub form. Yeah, I think when it comes to like Whitebeard, I prefer his sub voice over dub. It sounds way better. Hey, brother Valoon, Chur, my bro. Thank you for the 11 months, brother. How are you, my bro? Shit, everyone's up, really. Did you finish the Ruru? No, brother. So I've been jumping between the two. Doing 2 jobs at once. Chur, brother Valoon, thank you for the 11 months, my brother. What are you planning on watching next? Geez, I don't know. What other ones do I like in terms of the double sub voice? Yeah, I don't like Whitebeard's dub voice. It sounds dumb compared to the sub one. Yeah, that's Gold Roger. Smile. What do you mean free? So free means I carve it You get it. Boruto is trash. Andy OCE, thank you very much for subbing, brother. Boruto is trash. Made it even more trash for what they did to Kurama. Trash. Bin anime. My life goal is to get that free carving. Jeez, you surely got better goals than that. Create OnlyFans. Okay. I've said it before and I'll say it again. If I was to make one, I already know what I'm gonna do. I'm going to grab a loaf of bread, peanut butter. The first video will be me opening the bread. The second video will be me pulling the bread out the packet. The third will be me grabbing the knife and obviously playing Careless Whisper as I open the peanut butter. The fourth video will be me applying the peanut butter to the knife and then playing Careless Whisper, applying to the piece of bread and eating it. Don't be like everyone else. No one wants to see toes unless you like toe jams. No one wants to see... Oh, what else? What's some other weird crap they do on there? Oh, they do weird crap on there. Yeah. Be different. And if someone takes my idea, I'll probably just buy fruit and throw it at the wall. Yeah. Yo, Chur Thunder for the 10 months, my bro. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to, though. Oh, sorry, man. Why we bugger all closed when you can put peanut butter on a piece of bread and people will pay to watch it? Just shows how bored they are. They'll probably get plenty of views. And then for a tier 3 premium OnlyFans, I will use 3 pieces of bread. One level will be peanut butter, the other one will be jelly. And ladies and gentlemen, you know we will be cutting that piece in half very slowly. Yeah, I seen you on, Thunder. I was just jumping on to see if my house got smashed up. Diagonal straight cut, mate, will trigger everyone and do a circle in the middle and eat the crust and throw the rest in the bin. Hello, Oscar. Oh, look, he's back. Hey. Private Fit, thank you very much for the 6 months, brother. And Miguel, thank you very much for subbing as well, brother. They're not funny. Yeah, man, I'd laugh if people actually sub for that, eh? I'd be like, God, it just shows how bored people are. P-Rail. Can I have a JK? Oh, he's not going to get his thingy. Okay. Have you made katanas before? No, I haven't. You might have had a troll raid. Yeah, I've been getting trolls around my little batch. Cool to see everyone talking to the sis. Yous are making me want to just do it for a laugh, eh? Like just to see. Then it'll be like, move over, Madison Beer. You can't defeat peanut butter. Oh, nice, Harvey. Ignorant gnomes. Ignorance. Inorganic gnome? Sorry, brother. Thank you for the 2 months, my bro. Big up, Willis. Hello, hello. Sure, brother. Thank you, inorganic name. Cheer, brother. Hope you're well. So just gotta get rid. So we'll leave it kind of rough still, but you don't want to leave like rips on the timber, because the bloody stain will make it pop. Have you so in Valheim, have you come across like random hooded people with blue eyes and they just disappear when you get closer to them? I do commission style, brother. Sturdy brother, thanks for gifting a sub to Mart Zero. I think that's how you say it. Yeah, I came across one this morning. I was trying to get closer to it, but it disappeared. I was like, I need to punch it. One hooded guy in the rain. Ah, okay. Layla, thank you very much for the tier 1. Welcome, Layla. Can we get some love in the chat for Layla, a new whanau member? Jeez, I wonder how it just... Clean up these. Come back that way. That way. Let's stand him up and look at his beard, eh? Seamus, you can use like sawdust and PVA glue. Just mix it together. Makes a good combo. Really good combo. Just taking some of these sections here. Ratchet, gonna bacon again. Look sick, bro. Oh, thank you guys. We play God of War. The Nordic, or the Viking one. That's probably my favorite. That one. Because you see a side of him you never see before. Has to look after someone he cares about, even though he's got no bloody ears. There you go. Yeah, so there's going to be a lot going on in here from what I've seen on the picture. the sword will be relatively simple from what I've seen on the picture. It's pretty just normal landy sword. Okay, we need to go in there. Might leave them up for a bit. So I can see. It looks weird. Thanks, bro. That's probably my favourite part about Odin is his beard. I ain't never carved the beard before. On it. Just getting all these straggly bits out. Thank you, Kamzak. Prince Bigger. Nah, so the concept for this was given by UBISOFT.
We're gonna go and do one.
Okay.
It's 4949.
Oh, damn. Hold on. I've got to reply to our sister. Hold on, found it. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely, Gold Roger. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Hey, thanks Ninja Bender. Let's get some of this done. Can't wait for reset so I can retry for the Dark Shaman set. I really want that set, man. Where else do we need to go? Here. If I get that Dark Shaman set, I will go from maining warrior to shaman. I'll be that guy. But I'm thinking of maining shaman for BC. Do you live near the sea? I wish I did. Love the sea, eh? Oh, unlucky Hydro. It's all good. It's all good. Still following. That happens. Unlucky, man. I'm playing Pokemon Emerald while I'm watching the stream. Oh, nice! Whereabouts are you in Emerald? What's that Pokemon that everyone plays and it has like random spawns? I watch Miskiff play it and I want to give it a go. And then I seen on he got like, for his starters it was Squirtle, Pidgey and Mew. Like it's a random generator, it'll, like any Pokemon will pop up. Which is pretty cool. And I think, so I was going through my mum's storage of my stuff that I used to have as a kid. And I think she threw out my Pokemon Blue. Because I asked her, oh yeah, I threw that out years ago. I was like, Ratchet. That's a randomizer. Oh yeah. Yeah, because I feel like playing red or blue or silver and gold, eh? The old ones. That's no good. Killer Silence, thank you for gifting a sub to Bad Dado Do. Thank you, brother. Can you explain this piece? This is Odin from Assassin's Creed Valhalla. What we are currently doing is carving his beard, which looks like they're cream and a can, you know, when you put on a cake and it goes whoosh. That's what it reminds me of. We're currently cleaning this side of the shoulders. We don't want to clean it too much where it makes it look too clean. We're trying to make it semi-clean like we were back in those days. There, Chur, huge for the hydrate. So what I'm doing now is butting all the ends to the beard in certain places, just so they don't leave any wood tags. So what we'll do after that is we'll probably clean this up in here, take a bit more timber out, and so the shoulders pretty much clean, majority of it, other than a few little spots. The arm is done. We'll probably have to clean this up as well, and then the body. We'll see what we can do. The knot is... Oh, I don't mind the knotty. That one and that one. I thought the knot here made the beard look kind of cool. Gerla, thank you very much for the 7 months, and I better get this hydrated for the brother huge. Gee, it's not looking too bad. Yo, I didn't even know you're on, my bro. Chur. Welcome back from your holiday, my bro. Thank you for the raid, my bro. This is a raid. How are you, my bro? How was it up north? Hey, and another All the Leagues 11. Thank you, my bro, for the 11 months. Appreciate it, brother. Holy wreck, almost a year. Yeah, my bro. This month, it's March, eh? I think this is when I done the showcase. Up north was mean. I want to go that far, eh? Edvin the Baller, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Okay. Yeah. I had to. Cheerio, brother Edwin. Looks like you're gonna buy Broxh. Yeah. I just gotta get the paints. I got the, what is it, canvas stand thingy. And I gotta get some gloves. Hey, cheerio, brother Steven, for the 7 months, my bro. Appreciate it, brother. Thank you. You didn't have to. Oh, sorry, Ned. Oh, shit. So I'm just getting rid of all the V marks that I did around the arm. Yeah, I got that from my Secret Santa. Huh? You're taking baby, eh? Who you in stream and go play Valheim? No. All good. Take your time. Make way Moana, thank you very much for the sub, the tier 1. Another new whanau member. Can we please show some love in the chat? Whakamai I taku kāri. Whack the devil out of the brush. Yes, I need to get a big brush too. I don't even know what I'm gonna paint. A donut. A big ass white beard Union Jack. Oh, Jolly Roger, sorry. Jeez. That's what it is. What the hell's this bloody sign called? Hey, make way moana, you didn't have to do that. Ai, aroha mai nen. Thank you very much for gifting 5 subs. They went to Yeasty Yoda, Daniel Wright, and Sergeants, and Norm W. And also Cobra Striker. Bro, I just lurk. Yeah, you're all good. You can lurk. I don't know what to paint. Oh, I should be asking you, eh? What should I paint, Kay? And hello again. I don't know what to paint, whanau. Pair of gumboots. Oh, come on, you bugger. Modified Twitch logo. Okay, so spray can. Spray can with with Aotearoa chapter rogue Porirua. Modified. So am I putting power or rogue on it? Or better yet, barbarian. Leroy Jenkins. Cookie-san. Annyeonghaseyo. Thank you very much, Cookie-san, for the prime, brother. Vegas chapter. What's our sister talking about? You look like Jason Momoa. Oh, thank you. I will take it. Thank you. No, I don't. My sun, my moon. My Khaleesi. Khaleesi. I've met Jason Momoa. He's tall, man. He's tall. Really cool dude as well. I think he had just started on Game of Thrones. He called in to Rotorua when I was working in the tourism industry. This is a call that I can follow. Call Broxh. You're making me want to watch Game of Thrones again. Me and you both, GV Wolf. Yeah, so I was working in tourism industry and he'd popped in one day and he just wanted to come check out like the koroways and like the culture, Māori culture. But at the time we were like, oh, it's that fella from Baywatch. Real tall dude. It's like, you know, on Scorpion King, what's the name? The sorceress lady? On Scorpion King, and there's that sorceress lady. I think that, is that her? There's a sorceress lady on there? Or some damsel that the Rock hooks up with anyway. She turned up to Te Puia one day where I used to work, and one of the uncles, Uncle Paulie, he was the guide that had to take her around and like show her around the area. And he didn't even know who she was. She goes, "Oh, I was in Scorpion King." I went, I never heard of that movie. And yeah, then we seen her and we're like, oh, there she is, the sorceress herself. And then oblivious uncle where he goes, oh, I've never seen her before, you're just another bloody tourist. And we just went, oh, husband me. That's so serious. Yeah. Cause she just turned up at the carving school and everything went stilly. Seeing all the boys start going on heat, I think. Gotta go to school. Hey, all good, Ramsey bums. Have a good one, bro. Yummy wood chips. Chur cookie, son. See you next time, brother. What for? Who's some other celebs that I've met through tourism? I remember when I was going out with Mrs. Broxh at the time. So this is like, what? I think we were like 2 years deep in our relationship. And she used to be a duty manager at a hotel. And they had some Twitch people at their hotel. I was like, who was it? I was that guy. Tell me, who was it? This is when I used to be on Twitch all the time. I didn't watch normal TV. And she goes, oh, I don't know, it's just some people. I was like, who are they? Find out it was only Twitch stuff. I was like, yeah. Who else? I'm trying to think of other people we've met. I've met the Whalers, the original Whalers, some of them. Morgan Heritage, got to meet them. Common Kings. I didn't meet them through tourism, I seen them at the supermarket. Damn. You used to see the reggae artists a lot here, back when Reggamuffin used to be here. Back when it was actually good. Has anyone ever redeemed the free carving? Not yet, brother. Love their place. Yeah, it's not like it used to be pre-COVID, but that's normal. But yeah, it's gonna take a while for them to get back to how they used to be. I think that's every tourism industry. I think that's one of the reasons why I don't want to go up there as well. Even though they still have tourism going on, I choose not to go there because my newborn and the amount of traffic of people they get going through the complex, and with what's going on there, I just want to be safe when it comes to my newborn daughter. Like even my brother-in-laws, they went to a big concert in Hamilton, and I said, please do not come over now. Oh, that's good blazing Frodo. That's what we want, brother. Oh, Fanta, did he make those pizzas you had on Instagram? I went along to the Aria and Victory Arena, hanging out with Bone Thugs and Harmony. Problem was, I didn't realise who they were until a few hours in the penny shop. Oh, nah. Yeah, I've pretty much avoided, like, actually going out this Wednesday for Mugen train with some of the bros. Is the first time I've gone out in a while. I think the last time I went out and about was with Just and Thunder, who went immediate family. I've legit been staying away from everyone just so my kids are alright. Yep, his pizza. Ah, yeah, your food always looks nice, Fanta. Always. Celebrities, Ross. No, I haven't really met much big people outside of Aotearoa. Would love to meet Jason again. I think someone I want to meet the most is Chris Metzen. Chur projects, yeah, brother. So, don't want anything to happen to my newborn. Wait till you meet The Rock. What about Stephen Adams? Yeah, I'd like to meet him when he ever comes back these ways. He comes back a lot when he can, but obviously he can't at the moment. Yeah, Adam says he's a really chill fella by the looks of it. I need to watch his anime too, which is good. I'm not sure, Low Games. I really ever saw him play because he went down to Wellington to train. He didn't stay in Rotorua. Only for a little bit and then he left. Got back from up north last night, took the kids to Waitangi, took a couple of hours trying to get out of Auckland. Oh, I bet, brother. Well, what's going on? So to anyone that's in New Zealand, where were you when you got the text last night? Or was it the other night? It was the other night, eh? The emergency one. Has some door knockers coming to visit. Where were they trying to sell you some free energy plan, or were they like that red truck that cruises around trying to sell clothes, or were they religious door knockers? Outside of celebrities I like to meet, there's a shit ton of bloody streamers I'd love to meet. Okay, let's shape old mate's arm. I was on my way to the pub when I got the ticks. Oh, unlucky. I was preaching. Oh, yeah. Walkers. It's my cousin. One day we were walking to town and there was some, what are they? Mormons? Because my cousin's a Mormon. And they stopped us. I went, here, talk to your people. And I left it here and carried on to town. I was watching people Insta stories at the 660 concert. What is the time? Oh, yeah. Lunch is almost here. Okay, let me just come back on this side. I'm just gonna shape out underneath the elbow a little bit. Muppa Maximus. Yeah, sorry you can't see what I'm doing, Whanau. Just making a slight cleaning under the arm so we can leave it there. Then we'll focus on the front of the arm. Make it look not so take my strong hand. Take my strong hand. Yeah, Jorge, I seen that Insta story as well. People just chilling while in traffic jams, having lunch on the side of the road. It's like, sucks to be you right now. Did you go right up to the Cape too? Just what did it feel like up there? Oh, wavy boy. What about it? Let's do this hand. Vertigo. What's that? Vertigo. That sounds like a bloody naughty substance from a movie. Oh, seeing things from heights makes you dizzy, or I'm just getting old, or I think what go mātua haere ki koe, bro. Hi from Brazil. Hello. Definitely worth it, bro. And the walk is hearty as well. Always wanted to go up there. Just to see what it feels like. School in 7 hours. Hey, I thought you were going to bed ages ago. All good, brother. I never made it right up at this time, but last time I was up there, it's a special place even as a youngster. I know next time will be emotional for me since my name. Haven't been back since. Yeah, that's part of the reason why I want to go there, because apparently, yeah, at the top, that's where our whanau who have passed on go to move on to the next life. It's like the door where they go on. And just thinking about it now, I think I'd get emotional. I'd start thinking about my sister, my grandfather. Just remembering it. And that's one of the reasons why I want to go up there. Yeah. Oh, that's enough. We'll talk about something else. But sorry, my bro. That's why I posted hard on my instance, brothers together. Yeah, that's definitely something I want to do. Just take my family up, eh? So my auntie and my koro, my grandfather, went up there on that thing called Maui's Hook. They talk about my cousins, sorry. Hey, Jojo Shiro, cheer brother, weebs out? Huh? Don't you like weebs? I'm 131 kgs of pure force and as a weeb. Okay? No. Okay, carrying on. Yeah, that Maui's Hook, yeah, was, my grandfather and my auntie on for day one. Dude, I'm pulling an all-nighter because of studies, but I just have to say I love tuning in as long as you get through your studies first. Oh, as a Maui Havi of Moana. Popoke Heurutapu Ate Higna. Oh my goodness! Oh, what? Voicey! I probably said that wrong. Holy damn, bro! 20 gifted subs. Yo, thank you, brother. Those went to Thunder, Aceptus, Dark Supreme, PG Down AU, Zezzy Mezzy, Joanna Banana, Pepperix, Lebo Fly, okay, Rough Saturn, Grasshopper, Shifty Haze, All in My Brain, Carbonaceous, See This Chosen Crown Without the Sea, okay, Johnny Wombo, Johnny Combo, K's in Auckland, Ganlorth, Chocolate for Healing, I like that, Mad Hatter, and Ales. Jeez, I don't know what I've done, brother or sis, but thank you very much for the 20 gifted, oh, what, 10? No, 20. Yeah, jeez. Thank you. Just paying it forward because you gifted to me. Oh. Oh, thank you. Congratulations to those that got a gifted sub as well. Yeah. Sure, young Teven, have a good day, brother. Jeez, that's your son, Teven. This music warms the heart. Jamothy, thank you very much for the 9 months, brother. Oh, another one with a sub baby. Congratulations, brother. You are now a sub dad. Congratulations, my bro. Thank you for the 9 months as well, brother. I think we might start drawing these designs in soon. I think so. I guess I'm just a playmate to you. Here down, pretty much. Here down. How did you get the detail in the bed? So I'll just show you anyway. You get your pencil. You set your lines. So you're obviously going to draw them on. And I used a V chisel, a 12-6 or a high as we like to call it, which is this one here. So here's V. And just cut them out. Plain as mud. Just seen some that needs to be fixed. There we go. Yeah, much better. Just checking over everything. His bottom lip is quite fine. Anything else? Yep. We could try and design inside, but man, That'll be bloody hard, eh? Like really hard. Hey, thank you, Maya. This is definitely giving me the old Valheim mood. I am Spartacus. Cheers for the beautiful work, brother. Keep it up. Thank you, brother. Appreciate the kind words, my man, and also thank you for your bits as well. I'm just looking over this to see what we can do in here. I feel like it's not clean enough, or rough clean, I should say. It's that time of year. Holy hell, all the legs are living again. Yo, Satacrits, thank you very much for the sub, brother, along with Fat Broom with the all the legs 11 months, brother. Holy hell, it's been 11 months since I just found your channel. Thanks for the smooth chill sailing through it all, my man, for the horde. Yo, thank you, brother. For the horde, my bro. Thank you for the 11 months, brother. Well, how much has it been today? 3 people that have hit 11 months so far. Shit, it's almost been a year. Crazy. Please help me sleep again. Okay, just watch. Yo, thank you, Fat Broom. And Kenabi, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. You and me. So I ask you this before players play exit for Lolly. Bro, it's been longer than a year since you started streaming. Yeah, but like when I started that showcase thingy officially, I would say. It won't cost much. Free range purples and some power. Licky. Just gotta get rid of all the rubbish in there. Uncle Peter, banks so heavy, my money's only. Who here thinks that the highest chat score? Drop your score in the chat score? I've got infinity, so do I win? Okay. I've got infinity, so do I win? Dark Cloak. Live Slash. Ooh, new Black Clover episode out. Yami Sukehiro. One of my favorites from that anime. The sea virus really hurt last year, but the light at the end of the tunnel is clearly in view. Stay strong and happy, everyone. Cheer, Fat Broom. Richard, brother. Yeah, it was for everyone. You all good though, brother? Kiteo, I don't know. Hold on, guys. I'll just see if Mrs. Broxh is okay. Someone's cross. Well, I know it wasn't me. It wasn't me. So I'm hanging on the sofa. Sorry about the fat broom. To my head, but Namoru Tsuku wa maite Aro Akoto Apanui. Yeah, I don't know. I think I need to turn it on. The give thingy and the gambles and all that. I think I've seen it on Stream Elements. I don't know how to do it on OBS. Don't know how to handle it. Oh, this is going to be an annoying section. Griffin, thank you very much for the tier 1, brother. Welcome to the stream, my bro. Yeah, it's on Stream Elements. Okay. I better sort that out before the 1 year thing here. Shit. Go away, don't go here. Come on. Just trying to take it out so it doesn't break. What's the time? Hey, cheers, soul. Cheer, my bro. How are you up there, my bro? Cheer, my bro. Hope you're all good up there, brother. Kai kaiake no he kitoku kaguya yaku karu meherangi pari koe kite waru kote koramiya ga kore arato ite kita ga atsu. Hold up, hydrate. Oh, better go and fill my bottle up. There was a low bit row warning, but nothing happened. Okay. Oh yeah, it is a bit low from what I can see. It's going up now. Thank bloody goodness for that. Okay, I'll just go for my water bottle. Chur, Harvey, thank you for dropping in, brother. Cheers for being here, my bro. Okay, here we go. Cheers. Whew. Te kura o te ahi. He aroha ata kia taua mahoro nui o te ao tamanui te rā. Malo there. Hope all as well. Thank you, my brother. Hope you're doing well too, my bro. Sorry, brother. I've just been blank there. Jeez, must be getting hungry. Kahikaya ke e te panga o toringa lohe ki toku matonge angi mai e tau te lai he uia e o pepe holi ke. Holy damn. Tom Droid, thank you very much for the 2 months, brother. And Silver, Chur, my bro. 8 months, wow, time flies, bro. Just wanted to say hello and hope you're doing well. Also, before I go back to work, have you tried Valheim? Have I tried Valheim? Yeah, no, I just started playing last night, brother. Thank you for the 8 months, my bro. Hope you're doing well at work as well. Yeah, I've been playing Valheim with a few of the boys in the chat. Just started. All I want to do is just cut down trees and yeah, cut down more trees really. I made a little batch and I like cut down all the trees in front of it and I was like, look what I have created. Really enjoying it so far. I didn't think I would, but yeah, it was a bit iffy about it. Fuck you, 80. Hi, my name's Thorg. I'm Korg's cousin. Twice removed from the family. Engari hioi mō tēnā. Hi, I'm Thorg. I didn't start a revolution. I started a streaming platform on Twitch and currently voiced by Broxh. Yo, just DM me, brother, Silver, and I'll come cut down some trees for you. All good. My plan is to fill up everyone's wood chest with timber. My name's Thorg, I'm Korg's cousin. I don't play Fortnite, I play Warzone. We got no noob master in that game because you know why? Because I am the noob master. Do you like lo-fi? Oh, for about 30 minutes. Okay, I think that's clean enough on the old helmet action. What is the time? Okay. Yeah, go forward, Fanta. 10 seconds will do. Nothing like a bit of Donny treatment. When I say E, you say rookie. Ben, rookie. Ben, rookie. Ben, rookie. You are the new Donny. Okay, I haven't heard that one in a long time. How's well going? It's been good, bro. Been playing a bit of retail and classic. Obviously, I am not prepared, as Illidan would say. So yeah, been jamming on druid leveling. I have a level 30 warrior. Ban Iruki. Iruki. Oh, my daughter's crying. Ooh, she's going for it. Oh my. Okay, let's check him out on standing up here. After I do this. Broxh, have you played the forest? Nah, brother. Do you have any favourite cuppa? Probably the one I'm in, brother. Te Mātaroi. This is Te Mātaroi, my bro. No, she's crying. Okay, we might finish soon just so I can help. Sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, Ditty, Jimma, bro. You know, brother, how are you? Hope you're safe too. No, I'm sorry. Not to post it and apologise. Where can we watch Kabaka? You were in. Oh, I've reported all those videos, brother. Nowhere. No, I'll send some to you personally. Wonder if I have one of those videos of me singing Pokari. I'll ask Mrs. Broxh to send me the video and you can listen to it before we finish up. Ahine hopu Te rau o te huia Te rangi ko tuku Haerero. Okay, I can't find it. I cannot find it. And no, I'm not gonna sing it now. So get off of it. Oh, here it is, here. Yeah, this is me whilst being Haka Man. Why is it bright? Because it's daytime. Bit rate alert. Ah, must be too tapu, eh? Must be bit rate saying you're not allowed to let them listen. Oh, Mateo. Got it. Okay, you can have your listening, but this is a one-off. Let's make home. Oh, gee, my bro. Sorry, my bro. Oh, G.I. Dwayne. Demon Dougie, thank you very much for the bits, brother. Always good to see you and you're doing your thing. Thanks, brother. This is for cheesecake. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Oh, good cheesecake. Just because you've been around for ages. I think the last one to ask was Maya. And usually if I don't sing Pokari, I'll just do the oh yeah at the end. Tako Bay, when you're up north, resting place of the Waka. Yep, I am whakapapa from Tātua Waka, brother. I come from Ngai Tūhoi, and also Te Whakatōhea as well. Tōroha ki a mātou, so no te arawa me Ngai Tūhoi. Ngari, I tipu au I roto I te whārua o Ruatāhuna, so I grew up in Ruatāhuna most of my life. Hey, te piri, kia ora pau. Tahuri Te ingoia tu lei. La porarutanga Orohi. This is my nephew. And he's freaking huge. Bloody Sky Tower, bloody kid. Ki tō aroha nei rā te mai ki a koe te atua ko ai tō koroia. When did you get into woodcrafting? When I was 12. I did traditional Māori woodcarving, brother. This is the first time I've gone outside of it. It's taken me a bloody long time, that's for sure. Hold up. Hold up. Ki tā haroha Tai ngoe ki a koe. E te atua Nei o tai ngoe ki a koe. Man, that beard looks really nice. Yeah, bro, I'm liking the beard, eh? Beard dynamics. Not the beard, not the beard. I think that's the part I'm proud of the most. And I hardly say that. O te motu o ta whare whare na o taku na kawe. He mama te o na kata. Marigi no amaroi mata o koto kwarira. Jumping into well. Oh, nice! Yeah. G2. It'll stand out once we stain it too. I might hit it with the rubber too, just to get rid of some of the small pencil lines that I don't need to carve. So tomorrow we'll jump back on the Ruru on JT's piece. I might just rotate these for the pieces, eh? Oh, if if I had that badge. Okay, what's our song? There to my name. Okay. Beard's done. The beard is done fine. Hope you enjoyed today's stream. Yeah, I'm gonna finish here. And because man's stomach is eating itself, so I'm pretty hungry. Pretty hungry, man. So I hope you enjoyed today's stream, finally. I know I did. Okay, who are we gonna raid?